means all the transaction have two accounts or two sides, you can say. Yes?
Yes.
Like if we purchase goods on credit, then there is purchase account and supplier account. If we sold goods on to cash, sold goods for cash, then there is sales and there is cash. Yes. So in every transaction, there is two sides, two accounts affected. Now, so every transaction has two aspects. One is debit, one is credit. If one side is correct and only one side is incorrect, then it is called one-sided error. Is that clear?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay. Let me write it here. Let's say we are doing this transaction, purchase account debit to cash. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So purchase account debit to cash account. Now this should go to purchase account and cash account. Both, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have written this in purchase account to cash, whatever the amount is. But in cash account, when we are writing by purchase, let's say it is 500 here, and we have written 500 here, but in purchase, in cash account, we have written only 50 rupees. Okay. So you can see in purchase account means one side is written correctly and the other side is not correct. Means cash account, we have posted the wrong amount.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is called one-sided error, means there is error in one account only in cash account in this example. Yes.
Yes.
So in the same manner, if there is different type of errors which affect only one account, then it is called one-sided errors. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And what if the transaction, if the error is affecting two accounts or more than two accounts, then it is called two-sided errors.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let's say that the transaction is purchase account debit to cash, but in posting, we have written it here. In purchase account also, we have written 50, and in cash account also, it is written as 50. So this is both-sided, double-sided error. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What if we omitted all this entry? Means we have not written this entry. So this is one-sided or two-sided?
One-sided.
One-sided. Only it is affecting only one account.
We're omitting it from only one account, right?
I told you that we have not written this journal entry.
Oh, then two-sided.
Then two-sided, yes, because we have not written anything in purchase account also and not in cash. So that's why it is two-sided errors.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now one-sided error means errors one-sided errors which affect only one account in books, then it is called one-sided errors. Now, example of this one-sided error is first wrong posting of amount. Not wrong posting, it will be third one. Okay, overcasting and undercasting. Now, what does it mean? Overcasting and undercasting. So, let's say when we prepare a ledger, any account, let's say purchase account. So, in purchase account, if we write only on the debit side, so whatever the amount we write everything on the debit side in purchase account. So it is said in the portion that purchase account total is uh, less than 100, means the total should be, let's say, 500, but when we total it, we have made a mistake and it is 400. So this is called overcasting, means we have written here 300, 500 and 1500. So total should be 2300. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But if we write only 2200, then it is called undercasting. And if we write it as 2400 or 500 or more than the actual amount, then it is called overcasting. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes. So overcasting means when the total of any side in account is incorrect and it is more than the actual amount, then the actual total, then it is called overcasting. Now, how we will correct these errors? Now, this is one-sided or two-sided?
One-sided.
One-sided, because it is affecting only one account. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So in overcasting, we cannot pass any journal entry to record these transactions because journal entry will affect two accounts. In every journal entry, there is two accounts, so we cannot pass journal entry in these type of situation. So we have to correct these errors in ledger because these are generally related to ledgers. So that's why we have to correct it also in ledger. So what we will write? So we will write to or by. In any side, there can be totaling error. Yes, that's why to or by. Overcasting. Overcasting in a specific account. This is how we will write. Now, where we will write this? In the opposite side of error. You have to remember this. In overcasting, you have to write it in the opposite side. Let's see how it will solve our problem. Let's say this is a total of cash. This is our cash account. And now there is many items like 600 on the debit side, 800, 1400, and 1100. On the credit side, there is 300, 600, and 200. Okay. Now, when we are totaling this, then the debit side total is more than credit side. Yes. So
Yes.
it will be 1400, 2800, 3900 here, 3,900 here. So the balance should be 369 to 11, 2,800. Yes, this is the correct situation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am making a mistake here. Let's change this total amount that we have written here, 3,900. Now I have made it. It was 3,900, but I have written as 4,900 by mistake. So now the balance will change. Balance will be 3,800. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is incorrect situation. Now, how you will rectify this problem in your account? What do you think? What should we do here so that our balance will be 2,800? You don't have to cut anything. You can write a new thing here. You can write a new amount, but you cannot cut or erase anything here.
Okay, sir.
Tell me.
What, sir?
I'm saying, I'm asking a question that this is the situation, incorrect situation, Yes?
Yes.
Yes. And how much balance we should get? The balance of cash account should be how much?
One minute, sir.
You're not getting the question.
I'm getting the question.
Okay, so what is the answer? How much balance of cash account it should be written here? The correct amount.
Mm, 3,800.
How much?
3,800.
3,800 is the incorrect amount. I just told you that.
Oh, one more minute. Let me just see.
Before preparing this cash account, I have just written a total and balance here before this. Yes.
Oh, yes, sir.
Can you tell me the amount?
1 minute.
Okay, I'm writing it again.
2,800.
Yes, total of the site is 3,900 and the balance was 2,800. This is the correct balance.
Yes.
Okay, so this is correct balance. This is correct total, but we have made a mistake in preparing this and we have total the wrong amount. We have calculated the wrong balance here. So now you have to correct this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And you don't have to erase anything here. You cannot cut anything here. You can write a new amount only, new item only. Okay. You cannot cut or erase anything in this wrong account, this one. And you have to make it 2,800. You have to correct it and get it 2,800. How you will do it? You understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So should I repeat again?
No, sir.
Okay, tell me then. You don't have to cut or erase anything, and you have to get 2,800 as balance. So how you will do it?
I can't cut anything.
Yes.
No.
You can only add some item. You can add some amount. That's it.
I can't deduct 1,000
Where you want to direct 1,000?
on the
On the
debit side.
debit side. So you want to write this 3,900. Yes.
Yes,
So this will, we have to cut this. No?
yes,
So we cannot cut. I told you, we cannot cut, we cannot erase. Okay, let me give you the answer. It is to balance CD 3,800. So in the next period, it will be to balance BD 3,800. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Now, if we write something on the credit side, sorry, it is by something on the credit side with amount 1,000, then our balance will be 2,800. Yes or no?
Yes.
Did I cut anything?
No,
Yes.
no, sir, you added.
Yes, I told you this, that we cannot erase or cut anything here. We just have to add a new item or new amount. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I have written new amount 1,000 and our balance is 2,800.
Yes, sir.
So in overcasting, you have to remember that error is in which side. You have to see that first. So in this quotient, error is on the debit side. Yes.
Yes,
Because the total of debit side was 3,900, but we have written it as 4,900. So we have increased our total on the debit side by 1,000. So in overcasting, you have to write the same amount, the excess amount that we have made a mistake. So excess amount will be written on the opposite side. Okay.
okay, sir.
So to or by overcasting in a specific account, okay, you have to write.
But
Understood?
yes, sir.
So
Wait, okay, thanks.
in the opposite side of error, you have to remember this. Okay.
Yes,
Is this clear to you now?
yes, sir.
Okay. So you don't have to create any ledger account. This was for example purpose. This is your solution. You have to write this only. Okay. Like it will be given in the quotient that total of cash account debit side is more uh, by 1,000. or it will be written that overcasting in cash account. Okay, so now it is more by 1000. So in the solution part, in the answer part, you will write like this. In cash account debit side, error is, so you will write by uh, overcasting in cash account, or in credit side of cash 1000. This is your solution. That's it. You don't have to create any ledger. You don't have to write any journal. You just have to write a single sentence. This is your answer in this case. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So please write this overcasting, one-sided error. You can take the screenshot also, but if you want to write, please write.
Done, sir.
Uh, this is our first case. Now the undercasting. Okay. So in undercasting, actually, total of any side is less than the actual amount. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So total of any side of account is less than the actual amount. Then it is called undercasting. Now, in this situation, in overcasting, you have to write it on the opposite side of the error. But in undercasting, you have to write it on the same side. Okay. So we have to write to or by undercasting undercasting in a specific account on the same side of error, in which error occurred. Okay,
Okay.
or in which side error in the same side of error. That's it. This is your solution. You have to write this in solution part. That's it. This is to understand that where we have to write it. So we have to write on the same side of error to buy balance, to buy undercasting in a specific account, whatever the account name is. Is that clear?
Yes.
So these errors are related with totaling, means when we total the amount and the total is incorrect, then this is called totaling error. Now, the posting error. So it is called error of posting or posting error. Now, what will be incorrect while we post from journal to ledger? Because the process is called posting when we transfer our journal entry from journal to ledger, then it is called posting. Okay.
Okay.
So in that case, what kind of error can occur?
Yes.
You don't know?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's see. If let's say the transaction is purchase account to cash account. So there can be different type of error here. First is wrong amount posting. Instead of 500, we can write 50 rupees in the ledger.
Yes.
Or so this is wrong posting of amount. Now, wrong side posting can happen also. In purchase account, you have to write it on the debit side, but you have written the amount on credit side. We have written in purchase account on the credit side. So that is error of posting because we have posted the account on the wrong side. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is second type of error. The third is error in wrong account posting, means you have posted in different account. The item should go in some other account, but you have written it in some other account.
Okay.
So this is called error of wrong account posting or posting in a wrong account. Okay.
Okay.
And the last thing is error of omission, means we have not posted in any of the account. Let's say that we have posted it in purchase account, but not posted in cash
Okay.
account. So this is also error of your or omission in posting. So first is wrong posting of amount. So if the amount of journal is not correct in ledger, means we have transferred the wrong amount, then what we will do?
Wrong amount.
Wrong posting of amount.
Like you did in the last one.
No, that is different. That was different. That was totaling error. Solution is almost same, but the error was different. That was totaling error, means we have total the amount, but that is incorrect. You don't understand the difference between these two?
No.
Okay.
Mm, mm.
Okay. So this is account here. I told you that this was the amount here. So when we are writing the total, the amount, everything is written correct here. But when we total it, this is incorrect. Means we have total the amount as 3,300. So this is incorrect. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is called error in totaling, or you can say totaling error. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But when you have to write 1100 here, but you have written 2100 here. So this is called error of posting. Understood?
Yes.
So when we transfer the amount from journal to ledger, and at that time you made a mistake, that is called error of posting.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood the difference?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So if we do error of posting, then it is automatically error of totaling too.
Yes, that's why the solution is almost same. I told you that solution is almost same, but the error is different.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So in the same situation, either it is error of posting wrong amount, then you have to see that the posted amount is higher or lower than the actual. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if higher amount posted, if higher amount posted, or if lower amount posted. So so if higher amount is posted, I told you whenever there is higher amount in any side, then you can correct it by writing the excess amount on the opposite side. Okay. So on the opposite side of error, opposite side of error, write to or by error, sorry, to or by error, wrong posting of. In a specific account, and then you will write the amount. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And if lower amount is posted, then on the same side of error, write to or by wrong posting of amount. Okay.
Okay.
Now the second type of error in posting is is posting in wrong side. Posting in wrong side. Then what will we do here? Now, if you have to write something on the debit side and you have written it on the credit side, okay? Let me give you an example for this also. I'm writing two accounts. One is correct, one is incorrect. Okay. Let's say I have written 500. This is correct one. And this is incorrect. So 500, 300, 600, and there is 301. Now, this is correct one. So the balance we can calculate 5, 3, 8, 6, 14, 1400, and the balance will be 1000. Is this correct? Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now the incorrect one. In incorrect one, we have to write 300 on the debit side, but by mistake, it is written on the credit side. So let's say on the debit side, now there is only two items because this 300 will go to credit side. It is incorrect.
Yes.
Okay. Now the balance will be 400 here. You can see in correct one, it is 1000. In incorrect one, this is 400 only. And we have made a mistake of 300 only. Yes.
Yes.
So now to correct this, how we will write the item here? Again, the condition is same. You cannot erase anything. You cannot cut anything. You have to add something new so that the balance will be equal to 1000.
So we will do the same.
Yes.
Write down 1 minute. We can just add 600 in the debit side. Yes. No, 300.
Yes, you are saying 600. Yes, 600 will be written on the debit side. So it will become 1000. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So when posting in wrong side happens, then on the opposite side of error means in which side you have made a mistake. In on the opposite side of posting the wrong amount, posting the uh, sorry, on the opposite side of wrong posting. Yes, on the opposite side of wrong posting, what we have to write: to or by wrong side posting with double amount double amount of error. Means in this situation you can see we have made a mistake of 300 ohm. Yes,
Yes.
but after writing 600 the correct balance we are getting. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So this is our uh, solution here, because we have made a mistake of 300 but we are writing 600 in solution. So that's why you have to write to or by wrong side posting with double amount. Is this clear?
Yes.
So now please write this. Done.
Yes.
Okay. Now there is one more error related to this one-sided, is omission in posting. This is the third one. Omission in posting. So in this case, actually, if there is two account in journal, one is written correctly and the other is omitted. Means you have not written this thing at all. You have not written the amount. You have not written the account also.
Okay.
So in that case, you just have to write to or by omission in posting on the same side, on the correct side. Okay. So this is your uh, all type of one-sided error. Now just uh,
So what is the correct side?
correct side means, let's say in it is written that there is, let me take a question from book so that you will understand. Yes, it is written here that rupees 250 written off as depreciation on machinery is not debited to the depreciation. Okay, so What is the journal entry of depreciation, if you remember?
Differentiation between depreciation.
Yes, depreciation entry.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
It's some kind of due.
Depreciation, you understand?
Yes, sir.
So what is the journal entry for depreciation?
Journal entry for depreciation.
Yes, depreciation on machinery.
Depreciation account, debtor to machineries account.
Yes. So on the in the ledger, machinery account should be credited and depreciation account is debited. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in machinery account, it is already written, but it is not written in depreciation account. So what is the correct side in depreciation account?
Why is it not written in the depreciation account?
Because it is given in the question.
Then we will write it, yes, sir.
Then we will
Write it
where?
in the depreciation account.
Which side?
Debit side.
Debit side. So you have thought that it should be written on the debit side on the basis of journal entry.
Yes, sir.
So this is correct side. That's why I have written correct side. On the correct side or same side of error means it is not written in debit side. That's why we have to write it on the debit side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now these are the errors we have. Okay. I will share some question with you. You can solve it from your book also. Just try some portion and we will discuss those portions. If you have